When thought comes in contact with soul, the third thing produces, and that is light.
Yeah.
So it is not the, it is the a sort of material light. A sort of material light it is.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
And not of much use. I have told you that when I was on the cot going to bed,
Yeah.
I found so many times the light was coming to me. I
Yeah.
negativated it.
Yeah. Because it
I
has some-
feel it disturbed. So light is not our goal. We proceed from light to grey.
Yeah.
From darkness to light, all systems are set. Darkness to light. And I say from light to grey. And grey is the real color. I've said dawn color. I am telling you this is a dawn color.
Yeah. I wonder if you could remove your glasses because so much light is coming. I cannot see your eyes. Thank you.
So this thing, light is not a very valuable thing, but it is something better.
Yeah.
It is something better.
Yeah.
It shows that now you have come in contact with the soul.
Yeah.
Soul connection has been formed. That only shows.
Yeah.
Afterwards, grey color.
Yeah.
We say God light and light, but it is all the material exposition.
Yeah.
Because there is no other words, I find no other words,
No.
the better word.
No.
And I searched and searched that if I may have Danish in German or in any language I may get, I may adopt it, explaining it in this, but I am not getting it. So I used light without luminosity
Yeah.
in this way.
That's also good.
So here I am telling you light the people see, but afterwards, after certain bit, grey color.
Yeah.
And grey color contains darkness and light mixed.
Yeah.
And there is one Natya Sutra also says in Rig Vedas, there is neither light nor darkness. The sun never shines here. And the ultimate object. So this is the correct version. Of course, the spirituality has been shown in a different style. That is tinged with matter.
Yeah.
All what we say tinged with matter, not quite naked as it is.
No.
And of course, everybody says according to his reach and advancement.
Yeah.
But if the man of the highest approach says something, that means whatever he says is quite correct.
Yeah.
So it requires a good deal of clever and must be the master like that, give you training in that line, then you can do it. This Anand I am telling you, the Anand, the peace, I mean bliss.
Bliss.
For bliss I am telling you.
Yeah, that I like very much. What
Well,
you
I'm
said
telling you,
about
I am talking about my own experience.
Yeah.
Of course, I was feeling very highly blissful.
Yeah.
And what was that? I wanted to break my head with the wall. In happiness,
Yeah.
in blissful state. So I am telling you. And it continued for 3 days.
Yeah.
And in case of Kasturi, I am telling you.
Yeah.
I came to know that she is on that state of blissful state. Then I said, I shall keep her for 1 month.
For 1 month in that state.
Yes.
What? How many?
So precautions I am telling you. There was one friend of mine, Sri Ishwar. I said, because she was at Lakhimpur Kheri, I was here in Shahjahanpur. You write the letter daily, asking her condition.
Yeah.
So he used to write about her daily.
Yeah.
And I was controlling her that she may not break the head and something, he may do something, she may do something else. This I was doing. So in the last days, maybe 25 days after, 30 days after, she began to tear her dhoti. Just began to tear. So much happened. then I took her off from that place. So this cannot be. Of course, everybody passes.
Yeah.
But those who are sensitive and in a way mixed with it, I use the word mixed with it,
Yeah.
they feel that.
Yeah.
Well, you cannot bear the Anandam.
Well, how long time did you meditate before that stage arrived?
Well, this cannot be said.
No, but she.
She stayed for 1 month,
Yeah, but I mean, how long time had she been in Sahamat before?
20 years now.
20. But when that stage arrived,
Well, I do not remember, actually maybe 7-8 years.
yeah.
Maybe 7-8 years.
So she was just tearing her sari.
So I myself witnessed and other also. And everybody passes through that stage. It is not that, but nobody feels like that.
No.
Intensity they do not feel at all.
No.
But they come to that stage because the way is the same.
Yeah.
Suppose you go to Denmark
Yes.
on aeroplane from Bombay.
Yeah.
Now the route is fixed.
Yeah.
Everybody passes. Some see very good scene. This is a very good scene. Some enjoy it. Others do not even like to peep into it, how it is going on.
Well,
so where
that's-
there is a stress and emphasis
Yeah.
on the will and the mind, then you see the things as they are.
Yeah.
And by the way, if you see, they have no value. So they see by the way, not going deep into it.
It's a shame not everybody can be sensitive.
You got it?
It's a shame that not everybody can be sensitive for these things. Perhaps they have it too early or something.
Too early, of course, but this is a very difficult point. The
Yeah.
higher point, it is of course not very high, but at least high. So you bliss and anand, the people say, but they cannot bear if it is actually there.
मजलूब का भी यही आलम होता है।
No. Majzub, I do not know English word. Hindi word is abdhut. Abdhut means you are charged in something.
Yeah.
And on account of that charging, you are almost benumbed or drowned in some
Yeah.
condition.
It's too much.
Drowned in that condition. So this abdhut, nobody can turn into abdhut in our sanskar.
No.
So what is that? Suppose he has seen the light or any other thing. Now he is drowned in it. Now he cannot go out of it.
No. It's,
Throughout the life he will remain there. And he likes so much that if you want to divert him, he will begin to beat you. So much he likes it. That is called the abdhut gati. Momentarily it may come for a minute or two. That is nothing, drowning. But that is civilized madness, I should say.
You had some saint in India that went round and was just crazy with happiness all the time, all his life. Everybody worshipped him very much.
I couldn't follow you much. That is, you had.
I have heard about one saint in India in olden days. I don't remember his name.
Yes.
And he was just running into the water and doing everything silly because he was mad with happiness, with bliss. So people was just worshipping him.
I'm telling you, there are so many saints like that in India.
Yeah.
And so many fools also to appreciate them.
Yeah.
Both things are there. They will use vulgar language.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, for those who are uneducated masses, suppose they use vulgar language, they are happy. Well, he's not in his proper senses. And he's telling such vulgar language, using such a vulgar language. They appreciate it. Well, a man in the state of delirium says something other, the people do not appreciate it. So that is the spiritual delirium in a way. I'm telling you, my master has given me all experiences. I am full of experiences. And I have not read much that I clearly say. I have not read much, but that is the only experience. I talk on it and write on it.
Yeah.
All things he has shown me practically. So practical experience that. So when I talk in a assertive manner. In a assertive manner I talk. So I am
Assertive
sure.
manner.
Assertive.
Assertive.
With surety. With surety.
ASSERTIVE.
So now Hubblepuff
Yes.
is...
So I am a Habil totaler. I don't take tea or coffee. Mr. Douglas laughs very much in my talk because sometimes humorous. Over here it was something humorous also, a little, not more. So that is my
Recording.
He's still doing it.
Now VAT, of course, it so happened that I took a seminar at Delhi while coming back from Madras. So why we are not sensitive, that was the point. Why we are not sensitive? I told Mr. Sundara, you think over it and put as many questions as you like about it and whatever thing. And then I shall answer. And I shall myself say what I know about it. So that talk was going on. I think it lasted for maybe 40 minutes or more than that, I don't know. Questioning and answering. And when he's questioning, I was also questioning. No, this.
Oh,
I
yeah,
was
then you
also
got the
questioning.
answers.
And so that VAT heard it. So she was very happy. It was a very good talk it was.
Yeah.
Only why sensitivity is not developed. That was the only seminar for that. They should give their opinion also. what they like, or any question, or I may do it. So they have written the question also, and they'll go on putting the question on the time. So many percentage, 15 or 30%, then maybe everybody was allowed.
So you can easily give a
Why-
speech.
Yes.
By the way, what
So I'm
after
telling
you
you, speaker I am not. You just question I shall. And when you question, I shall say some other thing, then some other thing, then we need to come everything.
Yeah, but you are speaker when you put the questions yourself and answer yourself. Then you do the whole job.
Prabhuji, by the way, what are the things that block the sensitivity?
Yeah, what is it?
First thing is grossness. Grossness, it is a devil. God and devil. Grossness is devil and God is God.
So one must get rid of grossness first.
Grossness first.
Then expect
And
to
then,
receive the
I am
grace.
telling you, everything can be completed by constant remembrance. Even meditation is not so useful as the constant remembrance.
Oh.
But we must do it. It has some specific purpose also. Meditation has some specific purpose also. But you see, this constant remembrance is very useful. You know, I am telling you, all the time charging.
Yeah.
You are thinking of God and charging is there.
Yeah.
And you say, I used to do 3 things. Well, I am sorry that I give example of what I did. And the people may not think that I am praising myself. That is not the idea.
No sir, example is better than precept.
So what was the term? Just slipped away.
Meditation
Uh,
and constant remembrance.
yeah, constant remembrance.
Yes. I was at the feet of the master 40, 50 years ago. So there were so many such things, I think maybe 200. And master was also there and I was sitting aside. So somehow this lavasta in Brahm, absorbency in Brahm, absorbency in God. So accidentally, or it may be his own wish, I immediately could notice the lavasta in master,
Then
in full. What strength it is, what sort of it is, how he is absorbed, everything came to me. I studied immediately. After a minute or two, again it came. I again see how it can be possible. Third time again, 3 times. When 3 times, no, that is the way.
that
Now
is-
I think that is layavastha is that. It has got so much strength. It has got so much volume. All these things I notice it. Now thinking and thinking, as if I have taken in myself the whole thing. But this is the thing to be avoided. Of course, I was searching for layavastha. I was doing some practice. But when I got the experience, when I saw this thing, of course it was his wish. I am telling you, nothing else. Then what I used? Constant remembrance continued to create layavastha in myself. Not it is that I am in lay, in Brahm, absorbed in Brahm, I mean in God. I am not only meditating or thinking that I am absorbed in Brahm. The people also do it, but it is all artificial. I have written in reality at dawn also. But how to create that condition? How to adjust ourselves to have that condition? Our thinking adjustment was the philosophical brain I had that time. Thinking capacity well developed. Even before going to the to my master, thinking capacity was very much developed. But he made it smooth and good. That is, he reformed it. In other words, he reformed it. That was his work. So thinking was there, and I was coming generally to the correct conclusion. So there was. Now I began to work with it. I came to know in this way you can adjust. I began. Not only that I am in layavastha in my master, I am absorbed, not that. I was adjusting myself. And for 3 times only I say how to adjust. Afterward thinking helped. Adjusting at the same time. 2 things. 3 things. What is the condition reigning? In the center I am in.
Yeah.
3 things I used to do at one time. All the time I devoted to this. Nobody will believe it. And moreover, in every month, after higher reach, not in this region, after higher reach, I will, 3 days before, the date was fixed first each month. On each month, on the first date, I shall be in another region. Date fixed first. Now 3 days before I used to say, what is there? Now 4th thing also. Let me see. So I was getting an air of it, even before I went there. Just suppose I go to Denmark. If I am at the seashore, well, I will begin to, environment, something will begin to come. Very good scenery, very good things, that idea. So similarly that used to be. When I am there, now for 1 month I am, what is happening in that. So that knowledge I have got. Of course I forget so many things, but something is there. So 3-4 things I used to do. And I tell everybody, I got it cheaply, so I distribute it cheaply. But I didn't got cheaply, I am telling you. Really speaking, I didn't got cheaply, I labored also. Master has given very cheaply, so I give cheaply. So no fee, nothing of the sort. I said to, he said, Rajgopalacharya, when he spoke first in Italy, he said, there is no fee for it. I must explain to myself, it is not that I got money, I got so many things, not that money, no money. Free service. I think it's a good idea.
Of course.
A man wrote to me years ago from South. Well, I want to join your mission. What is the fee?
Yes, whatever.
I wrote to him, I do not sell spirituality.
Then we had that experience also with a Swedish lady who paid for translation. She asked how much to pay afterwards.
This is
But it is because of the other yogis taking some fee. Mahesh Yogi, he is doing.
Yeah, and some others are taking money for it.
So I removed it. This thing I removed it. In constitution and bylaws. I think, I don't know whether sister has got or not, your sister. Constitution and bylaws, I give you. Constitution and bylaws of the mission. It is a registered.
No, I have not.
It is not given to them.
No, there must be one in center.
You must give one to Bird.
क्यों भाई दिया है?
हाँ,
तो भाई खाने के लिए इंतजाम करो।
खाने का इंतजाम तैयार है, वो पानी गर्म हो रहा है।
अच्छा ठीक है।
बातों में डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहो और आप पहले के लिए
हमारी पूजा का लुब्बे लुबाब कांस्टेंट रिमेम्बरेंस है बस।
लुबाब क्या कहो, बल्कि कुछ और लफ्ज होना चाहिए, लफ्ज ठीक नहीं।
मूल मंत्र
कोई और लफ्ज होना चाहिए, वो पता नहीं क्या।
लुबाब नहीं बल्कि उसे मेन बाइबल कह दीजिए।
काहे तरीक़त
नहीं, ठीक है। This constant remembrance is the artery रखिएगा।
आर्टरी मेन बाइबल
Is the artery of development. I don't know whether I have used the word wrong or right.
through
Main artery.
which the blood of grace runs down from God
Yes,
to
yes.
us.
Metaphorically, हाँ.
Chaos in every field of life is becoming an universal phenomenon. Is it, do you think, sir, symptomatic of some fundamental change in the shape of the things as they stand today?
Of course, all these things are for the change of the world. The mentality of the people will change, and they will all be spiritualized.
Yeah.
All be spiritualized. And but I am telling you, I have written in Efficacy of Rajo, the civilization will arise from the bones and ashes. That means too much bloodshed. Well, I have written in Efficacy of Rajo. It is all good. It is all good. I am telling you, there were so many things about India, also some Pakistan attacks and so on. And he troubled. And a man asked me a question, and I said, this is all good for India.
Yeah.
And things themselves say that I have come for this purpose. In other words, I feel that they speak themselves. They speak themselves, I am here for this purpose.
Yeah.
Just a talk, I am telling you in my case.
Yeah.
Suppose this calamity falls upon any country, God forbids. And when I visualize, they say that I have come for this purpose. So every trouble, every difficulty comes for something good.
Yeah.
And it brings something good. Because piety runs, after every trouble piety runs. I am telling you, since you are spiritual, God forbid, suppose you are suffering from fever. And after 2 or 3 days when you get up and you just study yourself, you will find very light.
Yeah.
Very
It's a
light.
cleaning all your
That means impressions have gone back. The poison which was in the body,
Yeah.
that has been removed
Yeah.
by the nature herself. Nature wants to see you as when you were when you came here for the first time,
Yeah.
there's a purity. God is purity is there in God. Now he worked with that purity, and it came to our share also.
Yeah.
So he wants that I may remain as pure as we were born
Yeah.
for the first time. So that similarly the difficulties are there.
Yeah.
Difficulties are to bring that state.
Yeah.
That is a state of tranquility. That is for that purpose.
Yeah. Sometimes it's nice to become ill.
Of course, we do not like it. And in my case, I am telling you, of course, when I am suffering from pain or any other thing,
Yeah.
of course I feel disturbed.
Yeah.
But I do not take medicine for some time.
No.
Let me feel it.
Yeah.
And I enjoy it. I do not. Enjoyment is also there and
Yeah.
trouble is also there. Both things are there. In my case, I am telling you. So I do not take medicine. Let it be. Let it come into full swing. I wait for that. Look here. This is nothing but foolishness.
No, it's good.
So some enjoyment is also there. In difficulties, of course, if a man wants to study it, there is some enjoyment in difficulties also.
Yeah. It's true.
Suppose you do not take chapati, I mean this bread,
Yeah.
as we take.
Yeah.
And suppose you take,
Yeah.
just for a change,
Yeah.
some enjoyment will also be there, although you do not like it.
Yeah.
Some enjoyment also there. So bitterness is itself an enjoyment.
Yeah.
No, bitterness is itself a taste.
Yeah. That's true.
Similarly, comfort is really discomfort. Because you are bound.
Yeah.
She said, I'm sitting very comfortable. That is, I am bound with certain sphere or with certain circle.
Yeah.
So when you are bound, not the comfort at all. When you are
No.
free, then that is the comfort.
Yeah.
And what is the freedom there? When you are free from comfort and discomfort,
Yeah.
then that means you are free from everything. I think good talk. Another question?
This man wants you to say something socially about the West, but I think the mind is also social.
No, I am telling you also, to you also. If you can calm down the mind
Yeah.
of any person, that is the best social life.
Yeah.
You want riches, I want riches, what for? So that I may pass my life very easily and comfortably.
Yeah.
And suppose riches are not there, and you pass the life comfortably, it is itself riches.
Yeah. That's true.
So riches, of course, are for certain things. You can purchase so many things, do anything, you can have a car, aeroplane, anything. It is for that. And suppose no riches and you have got the aeroplane and car and everything, that means you are happy. So what is the real thing? Something behind yourself.
Yeah.
That you are something behind yourself, not as you look.
That's true. You're right.
And this is a scientific process I am telling you about it. When you meditate, you wait for something.
Yeah.
Subconsciously, you wait for ultimate result, or ultimate goal, or God or divinity. Unconsciously you wait. That is, you have started for that alone.
Yeah.
You wait for something. Now when you wait for something, and since you are at one point, you are meditating, waiting for something, so that heat produces a sort of vacuum.
And sort of
Vacuum.
vacuum.
Vacuum, you understand?
Yeah.
A sort of vacuum. When then vacuum is created,
Yeah.
power begins to
Yeah.
come. So the whole body, the whole physical frame should be vacuumized,
Yeah.
so that the whole grace may come to you. And moreover, a man gets the grace, but the way is blocked.
Yeah.
Way is blocked.
cannot come.
And that we call it grossness. We remove the grossness. What for? So that God's grace may come directly into you.
Yeah.
And this is the work. And when you are free from all the grossness, half of the work of the master is over.
Yeah.
Because you begin to get what you call grace directly.
Yeah.
And he becomes the guru and you disciples
Yeah.
of God.
Very finely explained. So vacuum से
In
get
talk I am ready, such a talk I am go on replying. But to deliver a speech is far difficult for me.
Yeah.
You go on question after for everything.
unless one is a vacuum, grace cannot descend into him.
And that is my grossness.
Yeah.
And I am telling you, I devote so much time
Yeah.
in removing it.
Yeah.
And I am having very good results also.
Yeah.
So most of the time, I devote in cleaning you.
Yeah.
आज आपको ट्रांसमिशन इज लॉन्ग